What is SaaS and why is it the biggest opportunity of 2024 and 2025 to make money online? Right now, it is still a new concept to people. It hasn't been there for, it's not new concept, but GoHighLevel made it to be a new concept because of its powerful all-in marketing solution for businesses. Now, this is an unsaturated business model that has not yet been talked about by the most highest gurus. Now, the gurus are speaking about maybe FBA, they're talking about SMMA, they're talking about drop shipping, and those are all great, but guess what? It's a very competitive field, very sometimes expensive to start, and it's hard to keep clients in your business to keep earning money. Now, why is software as a business a great model? Because it's a low ticket and longer client retention. So that means if we're actually signing up a client, they are paying us a monthly recurring revenue for a longer time. And why would they do that? It's because we're providing them with a software that fulfills the need of a business, and it becomes integrated with their own business, so they don't want to ever leave. They rely on the software to do their day-to-day basis operation, and it helps them with that. Therefore, they don't want to ever cancel, so they stick with you guys for a very long time until they seek something better. And that usually is a very hard decision for business owners to make, as they're already comfortable with their own software they're already using. Now, there's so much opportunity out there, guys, with new businesses opening every single day. We're able to educate them about how to use automation, how to use features like missed call text back in order for them to actually capture leads and actually close them eventually, right? So let's go ahead and talk about why is this business model so good. The reason it's an easy business setup is because it only takes a few hours to get set up, and you can literally start taking payments from tomorrow. Now, I have a free course on how to get jump started and supercharge your launch of this business by completely free. All you have to do is put your full name and email, and we'll send that over right to you guys. No problem. Now, you can start it with as little as $15 to test for the first 30 days. Now, what I mean by that is that if you sign up under my affiliate link, we give you an extended 30 days instead of the 14 days, and all you need to do is buy a domain. And once you have that domain set up, now you can literally do everything you need, right? Once you land the first client, you literally cover your cost for the next month, right? So it's literally, you can start with $0 and land your first client, and you don't have to pay a penny to actually start this business model, right? And it's insane. No other business model does that. And again, even if you pay for the first month, it's only like $300. It's $297 and $497 the plans, and you can start with the lower end plan and easily land your first client for $300, or for your first two clients within the first 30 days of trial, and cover all your costs, and therefore you can start completely free. This is insane, guys. Like, no other business model does that. Now, business owners need the software, right? We have the best all-in-one marketing solution software that businesses really need, right? So we can host their website, give them automation, let them take payments, have a CRM where they can see all their contacts and organize in a very organized way. We can give them forms that get integrated with automations. We have social media posting where they can use AI within that to post for their own social media and schedule them for later on. Use analytics to actually see how their business is doing, and use AI in general to become, the utilizers of AI in this era that we're moving towards, right? And again, now on average, small businesses spend between $500 to $800 on software. And then again, they're probably using completely different softwares. Like they can have 5 softwares that is performing different tasks. And this is why GoHighLevel is so good. They combine literally every kind of software in one roof, and then you're able to actually integrate all those together. And that's what's so good about GoHighLevel. Now, what's also really good about it is that once you train them on the software, once they're already fully set up, you really only have to sit back and just collect the monthly payments without having any headache. Right now with SMMA model, you would still have to fulfill the client, keep them happy, and give them results every single month without actually stopping, right? As the first month you do something wrong, they will cancel you out and then you'll lose that business, right? And this is what's so good. Also, what I wanted to mention is that even if you guys want to do SMMA, you can provide them this software as a part of the service that you're providing, and we call this software with a service, because once they cancel the plan, right, you're able to actually keep them on the software, right? So that you're still not starting from zero as soon as a client cancels. Now, GoHighLevel gave us the opportunity to white label the software, completely sell it as our own. Your logo, your name, your branding, everything else within the software is like your own, right? So now we can go ahead and start selling it, right? And we have all these features they provided us to sell to clients, and we can either sell one or two or three or bundle some of these if you want. It's all up to us and how we want to do it, and we need to let them know why is it important to capture and nurture and close those leads that you've already been getting, and how we can do it in a very automated way, and how we can do it in a smarter way, and how we can actually have that list build up so we can actually start getting more recurring business from the existing business that we've already gotten, right? This is why GoHighLevel is so beautiful, and it's the best software in the market right now. And again, this is nothing, no one really speaks about this with GoHighLevel, and I would like to mention it, that you can stack softwares on top of GoHighLevel. What I mean by that, and I'll show you exactly. You can now stack multiple software under one roof, empower your software for clients. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this right now. So under my sub account, I have this admin view of launching ads within GoHighLevel, and I can give clients this access to see their own sub account for running ads. This is my hub. This is what I see. Clients don't see this. So now let me go into business, where see how we can go into a business here. See, no, not this business. I don't think I activated this because I do it alone for customers. But anyway, so what it does here is that I can now actually give access to clients to access AI ads. So now they can actually simply, easily launch ads on their own. And I can even use templates for them, right? So if I want Facebook roofing templates, I can add them, create them, and then I share them with the client. So I can go ahead, go back to Creative Hub, and then I can here and then share it, and I can share it with all these, with these clients here to help them succeed. And this now you can able to let them run their own ads, which is very easy. All you have to do is basically create this ad and put a little bit of information here about your business, right? Plays helps local business owners to run ads without spending thousands on agencies, and then I can generate this. You can have your website here now. So you type your website in here, and then you go ahead and launch the ad. All the ad copy, all the targeting is already done for you. You don't really have to do anything. You can create your own lead form inside here and go ahead, set your budget, launch the ads. All you have to do is just firstly connect your platforms here. Now, guess what now, guys? Now we're able to actually let the client run their own ads with simply clicking few buttons. They just need to launch pre-templated ads that are proven if you already know your niche, and then able to automate the responses to those ads, nurture them, close them, all in one platform. And again, you can have their website in here, and you can choose through thousands of already done for you templates, which are easy to edit, easy to do, right? So look at this construction company. All we have to do is just slap a better title, a small description, and then we can help them out with filling up some of these right here maybe switch some of the services if they need to be switched, and right away, therefore, we have a completely ready website. And there's way more in the software than I can just do in this video, but if you guys wanted to look into this opportunity, I have a completely free course. Like I said, you don't have to actually put any credit card or anything like that. All you have to do is just see the link below and sign up for the free course. Now, this is everything that I wanted to show you guys, and I don't want you guys to miss on this, train, because this is the opportunity of this new era, right? And we need to be on top of it. And if you want to make money online, you want to be with the GoHighLevel crowd, who's able to actually build those recurring revenue and actually become financially free. Thank you guys very much. We'll see you guys on the next video.